Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are well on a Saturday day or evening or morning wherever you are on the world of YouTube. So I'm gonna do this challenge now. I'm really hungry. Scarily spicy Carolina Reaper chili chicken wings. And it's got 3, 4, 5 peppers warning on it, caution on it, and it's smelling from the bag already. I haven't even opened it yet. Literally, I'm gonna put it in the oven. That's what I'm gonna do. 580 gas masses for 30 minutes in the oven from the oven from frozen. So without further ado, I'll be right back. I can open the bag now. 2 seconds. Be right back. Jeez man, this is crazy. You can literally smell it. Let me get a camera right. Now that's all marinated. Everything's in there. This is crazy. I'm gonna whack it all in the oven. Put it all in there. You can see it. Just whack it all in. Whack it. Whoa, look at the colour on that. That's crazy, man. Oh, that is crazy. Gonna have to wash my hands too. It's already on my hands. Yeah, that's a colour coated. That's going to be Scarily hot Reaper chili. I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes now, and I'm going to be right back, everybody. Whew. Here's my Carolina Reaper chili hot wings. There are 17 in the bag. Nice and cooked. It smells lovely. It's got all chili seeds on them as well, if you look carefully. Yeah, all cooked perfectly. Took 30 odd minutes, but I cooked it a bit longer because I want to be safe and sure, so I know it's safe to eat. Yeah, and let's tuck in then, is it everybody? I left it cool down for 10 minutes, but if you please watch a full video of this, leave a like, leave a comment, and then subscribe. That's the new way of YouTube doing now. So I'd be appreciated if we get to 1k subscribers. If I do, I will do the hottest chili in the world. Let's crack on. Hello everybody, I'm gonna do this now. I'm back. I'm ready to tuck in the first one. I'm a bit nervous. Yes, here's a chicken. Not much chicken on it, but it is hot already. It's kicked in my tongue soon I eat it. Nice though. Oh. That hit my throat then. Hope everybody's well. This is back on my tongue now. This is crazy heat. It's got the colour to it. The golden colour. See, this gives a light. Golden colour to it. Crispier. Oh. It is nice though. It's got a kick to it. Like top of my tongue. That's where it is at now. And then bit on my throat. So lovely. I can feel it, my eyes watering a bit. I hope everybody's well. Yeah, if I can't get that hottest Reaper in the world, I do something else on it. There's no sniffing now. That's 2 chicken wings gone. Let me get all this bone out. Yeah, if you watch a video before, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Whoo! Top of my tongue now. Gotta be done. Let me put there. Just add the seeds. We haven't put any of that sauce on it. Oh, and my tongue is really hot. Hot. I got milk on standby. Okay. Like I've got to eat all chicken, but at least I'm trying. My hands are messy. Wow, look at all that heat. Oh, my nose. Whew. My eyes are watering now. Really bad. My tongue is on fire. My nose is watering. The heat on this is unbelievable. Iceland has hit the spot on these heats. I paid £3 for this. And I need to wash my hands. I could grab a tissue. I'm stuck. No. This is piping. My mouth is on fire. It's just there constant. Now it's on my throat. I need to wash my hands, but what do I do? Oh shit. Damn man. I'm buggered. Be right back. Wash my hands for it, everybody. Oh, I'm piping. I have to wash my hands because, oh, I'm hot. Hotty, hotty, hotty. That is hot. Oh, that's hot. Sorry I have to leave, I have to wash my hands here. Oh. Try this sauce. Oh. Try a bit of this sauce. I pour a little bit on there. Oh, that piping on it. I know I should have done. I'll get tissue ready if I need to. Silly me, I'm not prepared on these videos. And I should be. Get some tissues as a backup. Save me leaving a seed. Always get some tissues. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. There you go. Oh, everything's going wrong. Like there's a sauce in there. Just give the camera a like. It's nice. The sauce. This is nice chicken. Nice. Iceland has hit the spot there. Woo. How many have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 5th one now. Out of 17. I like apples though. Oh. But then you got that kick, my eyes are watering. And I've got a sweat yet. So oh, that hit me in. I'm not sure about that sauce. That's the 5th chicken gone. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 left, including it. My face is probably red. Excuse the lighting on the camera. Oh. I eat this skin, but not as many. Wow. Oh. Yeah, it's going to be a long video, I think. Sorry about that, guys and girls. You know what? Wrong, my lips are hot now. Really hot. Yeah, I won't bother that sauce. No one. Oh. It's kicking in now. It is kicking in. Things we do to ourselves, eh? It's telling me to give up, but I'm pushing it. Oh. There's a pipe bed. Yeah, I'd be appreciated if I get to 1K. That'd be lovely. I try to break this video down a bit. Oh. It's calling for milk now, but that is hot on my lips. Not so much on the throat, it's on my tongue and around my lips is on fire. It goes hot and then it calms down and it goes really hot. I'm gonna try this one. I don't think I can go any further on this. That's my opinion. It doesn't matter if I fail or not. You know, I've got to eat all the chicken. I just got all just to be daring. I gotta give up. I know, you tell me. My hands are. Well, it's time me to give up, now it's time me not to give up. Well done, Iceland. You done good there. You done really good. I can feel the sweat coming out. Oh, sweat coming out. Now, chicken down. I done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chickens out of 17. And I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. I can't do anymore. I do apologize. I can't do anymore. That was telling me like not to do anymore now. I think I done good there. For first time trying it. To be honest with you. Oh, it's really hot. Messy too. Yeah, I call it quits for now. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a watch a full video, leave a like, comment in this video related to this video, and hit the subscribe, and I will get back in with you in 24 hours. That's what YouTube wants to do. Hope you enjoyed the video of me suffering during this time. And have a good day. Bye everyone. Oof, I'm sweating again. Bye.